Live from the MultiGP headquarters, this is MultiGP News.
Today on MultiGP News, the world's largest FPV gathering to date returns to the AMA headquarters for its second consecutive year this coming August, with early bird tickets on sale now. Also, a look at the 2018 MultiGP Regional Final and National Championship dates, plus some exciting news for international pilots looking to compete in the regional finals this year. Then a full breakdown of MultiGP Spec Series. Find out how your Spec Racer could be your lucky ticket to the 2018 MultiGP National Championship. Finally, some calling it the happiest place on Earth, but this one's for those who want to explore every aspect of flight. All this and much more coming up on MultiGP News. Welcome back, everyone. Here are your top stories this week on the MultiGP Rundown. As we move ahead in 2018, MultiGP looks forward to continuing to work on spec racing class for drones. Building on the traction from last year, here are a few changes we've made to spec class in 2018. Check it out. MultiGP will be taking UTT 6 and adding a spec UTT leaderboard. Local MultiGP chapter organizers are encouraged to set up spec UTT events for their pilots to be able to submit times to this new UTT leaderboard.
So the spec race obviously started off with building the Spec Racer up. So the spec track I was at, that was probably my favourite track. Probably because it was closest to a lot of things we have in Melbourne, where they kind of are really easy to learn, but mastering them is quite difficult.
Pilots who submit times will be eligible for discounted entry into the MultiGP IO Spec Race taking place during the International Open August 8th through 12th. Your Spec Racer could also be your ticket to the championship. The MultiGP Spec Race at the International Open will have a $5,000 prize purse available for spec pilots who are fast enough to make the podium. In addition to winning the prize purse at the 2018 IO Spec Race, the winner will receive a wildcard invite to the 2018 MultiGP Championship held later this year. For more information on the 2018 MultiGP Spec Series, plus a full list of spec components, visit our website at multigp.com. And moving ahead, here's a look at the 2018 Regional Final and Championship dates this season. Now, some big news for all our international pilots. We're giving you the opportunity to compete in the 2018 MultiGP Regional Finals. International pilots can find more details under section 10.4 of our rules and regulations. Just visit our website at multigp.com and click the Championship tab. And when we come back, early bird tickets are now on sale to what pilots are calling the FPV event of the year. How to get your hands on some discounted tickets, plus our crashes of the week. Also, Flite Test calling it the future Disney World of flight, and they need your help to make it all happen. A look inside the future home of Flite Test and their latest vision, World of Flight. Stick around. Who says it's too soon to get excited for the biggest FPV event of the year? Here's why the 2018 RIOT MultiGP International Open will be even bigger and better this time around. Take a look. The 2018 RIOT MultiGP International Open will blow your mind this year, with 8 incredible tracks from 2 World Cup courses to team racing, spec, rookie wing, freestyle, and even an LED night course. Early bird tickets just went on sale for all-week pilot passes. Full-time volunteer tickets are free, and there's a discount for military and veteran pilots. Remember, the RIOT MultiGP International Open kicks off August 8th through 12th at the AMA headquarters in Muncie, Indiana. Don't miss out on FPV history. Become a part of it. Purchase your early bird tickets now. Visit multigp.io and get your ticket today. The new Flite Test headquarters hopes to bring pilots from all backgrounds a world of flight where families, friends, and hobbyists can get together to explore every aspect of the world of flight. It's a big dream and they need your help to make it a reality.
Hey, welcome to Flite Test. I'm Josh, and this is Josh.
Hi.
Josh, where are we?
We're at the future home of Flite Test.
So obviously we're at a golf course. So Josh, can you explain your vision
We are at a golf
for bringing
course.
Flite Test here?
We are actually at Edgewater Golf Course in Minerva, Ohio, which is 120 acres of beautiful land, ready to be turned from a golf course into the future home of Flite Test. But we need your help in a big way.
So basically we want to make this into the Disney World of flight.
Absolutely. Now this is going to be over 3 years. This is going to be a process that's going to be divided up because it's such a big vision, such a big project. We want to make sure we do it right.
But we're going to have everything available here that you would normally find at Flite Fest and really everything Flite Test.
Even beyond that too. We really want this to not only be a place of flight, but a place of fellowship. One thing we really love doing is making content. But the bigger vision is we want to be able to do what we do at Flite Fest, where people can come out, fly, make memories on their own, and also we get the opportunity to engage more with you. One building that you see right behind me is the clubhouse. That is going to be turned into our new headquarters. The downstairs is going to remain a restaurant so people can eat and have fun and also check in for golf the first year. Along with the renovations, we're also going to be breaking ground on 2 new buildings. One of them being a hobby shop / makerspace / build area. The other structure that we'd like to build is going to be a multi-purpose building. And the goal for that is going to be to catch every aspect of flight. You know, during the winter we can have indoor flying, tiny whoop races, quad courses, but also we can reach into STEM and have STEM programs, outreach, teacher development, things like that. What we want to do is we want to be able to give back, and also we want to thank you properly for, you know, the contributions to make this a reality. Our vision for this location here to see this become a reality is more than a dream, it's a calling.
For more information, visit Indiegogo.com and search for Flite Test World of Flight. Now it's time for our crashes of the week. We want to thank everyone who sent us some of these crash clips. Check it out. If you would like your crash featured on an upcoming episode, email your videos to news@multigp.com. That's all the time we have for this episode of MultiGP News. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching. I'm Kalara Maynade, reporting for MultiGP News. If you like this video, press the like button below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in being showcased in the next episode of MultiGP News, please contact us at news@multigp.com.